Welcome. I'm Pat. I'll be your commissioner this week. Who do we have here?
Don Franklin 258. We're here to check in.
You guys are here to check in.
What?
You guys are here to check in. Let's see. You guys are in Hilltop. How many boys do y'all have?
12.
Okay. You guys have 4 Adirondacks and 1 tent.
We also have 1 female coming up.
12 boys. You guys will be okay. If y'all need anything, make sure you let me know. So find your campsite.
I got
Hey guys, how are you?
Hi. No mattresses.
No mattresses? What do you mean there's no mattresses?
There's no mattresses.
There's springs. We can't sleep on that. What are we gonna do?
I know. Somebody go get poo. Poo will fix this.
You're right. Poo will fix it.
Go get poo. Poo to the rescue. Yeah, you go do that. Come on. Here comes poo.
Wait a minute. Cardboard. What's the cardboard for?
That's what you're sleeping on.
Sleeping on cardboard? Really? How are you sleep on cardboard?
Why do you sleep on springs? Alright guys, come and get your cardboard.
I guess it's better than nothing. Alright boys, time for bed.
Newspaper delivery.
Alright boys, guess it's time to get up. So how'd everybody sleep?
It was the best night sleep ever.